YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the handbag housewife. And if you haven't noticed yet, I have a box here. What does that mean? It means that yes, we are doing an unboxing today. And since I already did one this morning, I went ahead and changed clothes so you don't have to look at me in the same thing. And I'm going to post this tomorrow. So when you're watching this, it will have been a day since I did this unboxing. But I gotta spread out the love, guys. I can't do it all at once or I'll lose your attention, and I can't have that. However, I am not patient. You know, if I were a good girl, I would wait till tomorrow morning and do the unboxing then. But I am feeling naughty, so I'm not gonna do that. No siree. I'm gonna get right into this package and show you what I have. Once again, I have my purple tank top on, so if that gives you any clues, you might be able to guess what this is. If you look there, we've got some Tory Burch paper. This time, they did not put the bag in a gift package, which kind of stinks, but that's okay. So they did put a little golden sticker on it. So rip that off like a Band-Aid. And I didn't draw it out very much, did I? But look, this is the Tory Burch Willa convertible bag. And I will hope and pray that it is just right. It wasn't clipped shut, so I was sort of worried at initial glance that it might be crooked on the flap. I've had that happen before with one of these, and I can't have that. But most of the time, they're really, really good about looking these over for me, and it is perfection. This color, guys, I don't even know how to describe it. I mean, you can see I'm wearing a really pale lavender, so this color is like, oh, it's just so pretty. I don't even know what to say about it other than that it's just gorgeous. Let me go ahead and unwrap her the rest of the way. The color is called Allium, A-L-L-I-U-M. And before I post this video, I am going to Google Allium and see what comes up, because I have never heard purple called by the name of Allium. Have you? And in fact, when I called Tory Burch, well, this is an outlet bag. When I called the outlet and asked them for the small Willa in Allium, they had no clue what I was talking about. Go figure. When I said the Tory Burch Willa in purple, they knew exactly what I was talking about. So let's do a little tour of the bag. Of course, the Willa bag has a double handle with padded, or not padded, leather bits on the shoulder parts. You can either pull it like this and wear it across your body, or you can pull it like this and wear it on the shoulder, or you can do the long way and wear it as a long shoulder. And let's just do a little spin, an Autumn Beckman spin, as some of the ladies I watch like to say. I'm going to scoot her back just a little bit because I feel like you get a better representation of the color, like right there. That's pretty good in terms of the color. And then I'll just kind of scoot in so you can see the texture of the leather. This is a glazed goat skin with quilting that's very Chanel 19-esque. And it is just stunning, and it smells so good. It really does. And as I've said in the past, the leather that they line the inside of the flap doesn't feel as good as the leather on the outside, but on this one, it actually feels nicer than on my other ones. So maybe they're upgrading just a wee bit. If you look inside, there's a really nice Tory Burch fabric, and it's in a pale creamy color, and so I will probably spray that with Colonel Carbon Pro when I spray the rest of the bag. And then if you open the zipper up, there's a little zipper compartment. So the bag has one interior pocket, and guess what, guys? I've got something to show you. I just grabbed the first one that I could find that was nearest, but this is the Gucci Small Marmont organizer, and it's the one that I have been showing in my soft tabby bags. And if you look here, it is a really nice fit for this bag. And I know this because one of my lovely subscribers told me that she tried it in her small Willa. And so I don't know that I would pair blue with this bag, but if you want an organizer in this bag, and for me, I don't want one in this bag because I use pouches, nothing pokes out on the outside. For the soft tabby, I want it specifically for structure, and this bag has the structure that I need. Anyway, I just thought that'd be fun to show you though, because, you know, some of you might want an organizer in there to protect the light colored interior. Me, on the other hand, I'm pretty darn careful, and when you spray your bag with Colonel Carbon Pro, if you do get some dirt on the inside, you can usually kind of wipe it off. I'm loving this bag. This is really pretty. This will complete my Willa collection, and I will show you the rest of that right now. Okay, so I just got down my entire Willa collection. Right now, I think I'm pretty happy with what I have. I have 5 convertible shoulder bags. Of course, you just saw this beauty in Allium, or purple. I mean, come on, Tory Burch, Allium, really? Next, with the tumbled golden hardware, I have this one in toasted pecan. She was recently featured in my sunset collection video. All the colors in a beautiful sunset that didn't fit into my pink, blue, or green collection videos. This beautiful blue is called Bluewood or Pancake, depending on what tag you want to read. And it is a gorgeous blue as well, featured in the blue collection video. If you haven't seen my collection videos, what are you waiting for? Go check them out. I'll link them down below. Next is in a collection video I have yet to do, which will be the beigey nude collection video. But this is in the color taupe, and I just love her. I mean, I was really on the fence about getting this one, and I am so glad I did. She fills a void that I didn't know I had. So, last but not least was the first one I added, which is this Willa, and I believe the color of this is New Cream. This is the only one I had to actually look over a couple different ones to get the right one, because I noticed that the dye didn't take and there were black spots on some of them. So, if you do get this color, make sure you have the sales associate look it over for you really good if they're shipping it to you, or if you buy it on the resale market. Make sure you look over the bag very carefully and also ask the seller if there are any spots, any little black spots on the leather. But I got a perfect one, and oh, she's so luxe with her tumbled silver. So now I've got, out of the 5, I have 2 with tumbled silver and then 3 with the tumbled gold. I have 2 more little mini bags, and they are the Mini Willa top handle in the pink magnolia with the gold hardware. And this one has a chain strap partially with a leather portion at the top. It is not an adjustable strap, and I'm going to be featuring this in an upcoming video where I'm going to give you options should you want to order one of these, because this is a current style, not a current color, but there are some gorgeous colors available in this style. And last, but certainly not least, is my matte black Mini Willa top handle. And this bag has no leather and is basically made of rubber. Had I known it was made of rubber, would I have gotten it? No, I would not. But my horizons have opened. You know, things are changing. I mean, I ordered a denim bag. I ordered a paint splatter canvas bag. I mean, I could have just got a tarp out of my garage and made that one, you know. So why shouldn't I have a rubber bag? I mean, it's like the tires on my car, you know, you got to have one. And I found that it's great in the rain. So that's an advantage. Actually, though, the texture on this feels wonderful. This is part of the current collection, so if you want one, go get it. And also, I have not found that the hardware has chipped at all despite using it several times. I did put some little shrink tubes on the clips, so where the clip rubs on this particular spot, It's shrink tubed to prevent chipping. I have not found an all matte black chain strap. I have gunmetal. So I do use this with the strap it came with. And I use the other one with the strap it came with, but I have another option I'm going to show you real soon. So I may actually start using that with the pink bag, because when you have a bag that is fit properly to your body, it can make a big difference. It can make you go from looking like this to looking like, wow. And I just had some arm flapping going on there. It was not intentional. I'm sorry. I wish I could have warned you ahead of time, but alas, I couldn't. Let me bring back out the star of the show, the Allium Willa convertible bag in size small. I highly recommend this beauty as well as the rest of the Willa line. I'm Erin and I'm the Handbag Housewife. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my notification bell so you find out about exciting new content such as this before everyone else. Also, find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife. You head over to Instagram, you'll get to see all my videos as they are released. So it's an additional way not to miss any. And I post other things like mod shots with bags or just the bags by themselves, because I come into my closet and play. So why not share that with you? So go check me out on Instagram. That's what I'm saying. Thanks again for all your time, and I will talk to you again real soon. Bye.